Bingo apps that work without Wi-Fi generally depend on whether the game supports offline play, because real-time multiplayer bingo normally requires an internet connection. For 2026, the useful comparison is not which app supposedly pays real money offline, but which bingo apps let you keep playing when Wi-Fi is unavailable, and what happens when you reconnect. Number 5 is Bingo Blitzkrieg. The app includes bingo gameplay and additional features, but online connectivity can be required for certain functions. If you're traveling, test the game in airplane mode before relying on it offline. Number 4 is Bingo PUBG. Its gameplay is built around online features, so do not assume every part of the app works without an internet connection. Open the game while connected, then test the specific gameplay you want to use without Wi-Fi. Number 3 is Bingo Bashing.ai. It offers multiple bingo rooms and themed gameplay, but online functionality can be necessary for parts of the experience. Check what remains available after disconnecting from the internet. Number 2 is Bingo Country.ai. Like other mobile bingo games, some features may depend on a live connection. If offline access matters to you, test the exact mode before leaving an area with reliable service. Number 1 is any bingo app that explicitly states it supports offline play for the specific game mode you're using. That distinction matters because an app can open without Wi-Fi, while still requiring a connection to start a round, synchronize progress, or access rewards. There is another important point about the real money part of this search. A genuine cash payout normally requires an online connection to verify your account, process the transaction, and synchronize your balance. You should not expect an offline bingo game to process a real money payout while disconnected. So if you need bingo while traveling, focus on offline gameplay rather than payout claims. Before your trip, download the app over Wi-Fi, open the game, enable airplane mode and test whether the exact bingo mode still works. Then reconnect before relying on any account, reward, or payment feature. Also check the app's current terms because offline functionality can change between updates. The key points are simple. Offline gameplay and real money payouts are different features. Real-time bingo usually needs connectivity, and an app opening offline does not prove that every feature works offline. Test the app yourself before you travel, and avoid making deposits based on claims that a cash payout can happen without an internet connection. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.